Hi, good morning everyone. Oh my gosh. It's not even the morning anymore. It's already a little past 12. How are y'all doing? I hope you're having a lovely, wonderful day. I'm actually vlogging today. Today is Tuesday and I'm actually heading out today. I'm going to Steveston with Justin. You're gonna meet him. I'll see if I can get back to you guys in a bit. And maybe by the time you will see this vlog again, or when I get back to you, I'm already with Justin. So I'm gonna see Justin. We're having some lunch. Yeah, late lunch. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys with me. See you later.
Hi, we're going to the gas station.
He doesn't know how to pump gas, so I'm gonna pump the gas for him. It's the same thing that happened to me in Maine.
Working in the land of the free, the home of the brave.
That happened to me in Maine.
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles when we...
I knew that. I watched her vlog.
He watched my vlog. But, like, we first didn't know how to pump the gas, and then we realized, oh, we're supposed to be pressing the thing.
Oh, that's...
We just left it there hanging in the car.
Do your people in the Philippines, your friends in the Philippines watch your vlogs?
Yes, they do.
Oh, hi friends.
Say
Justin.
hi. His name is Justin.
I'm Canadian.
He's Canadian. There he is. He's trying to figure out, well, thank God there's somebody else to help him. But like, figure out how to pump gas. Because he's never actually pumped gas before. Which is, I'm a little bit surprised. No, actually I'm not. Because the last time we went out, he didn't know where to put the water in the reserve. Oh my god, it was hilarious. I was talking to Wing about it too. Oh my god, I want to introduce you guys to Wing too. About reserve.
Oh, I'm sweating. Feel my back again.
I sweat so fast. Which sucks. I wish I sweat more. Ow! I got that on camera. That's hilarious. Do you know how to pump gas now? Do you know how to pump gas now?
No, because he did it for me.
I want to show them your Dorito.
I'm a
Look at it, Dorito.
Oh my god. I'm really dark. Did it even go up?
It did.
You know what?
You're good. You're
$30
good.
is
You're
a
good.
waste. Do not get $30.
You're good,
Get
you're good.
40.
Get 40. No, you're good for now. If you need to get more, get more.
Quick, vlog it.
Can be Fireball. Oh my gosh, seriously, you know he makes weird sounds.
This is copyright. I don't like it.
I know.
So we're going to Cove Kitchen.
That's where you're taking me?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like a knockoff cactus and
Oh wow.
knockoff cactus and knockoff tap and grill. I don't know if you guys know that, those stores or restaurants.
But then I'm looking forward to that.
It sits by the
I'm
water.
really probably not.
I don't even know if I'm in the angle.
You probably are.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
It's like up here. So yeah,
That's what we're doing.
I look like a
It's
mess.
a really nice breeze. Yeah, the sun is out, but it's pretty nice.
There's no breeze, Krista.
There is.
I'm not even. There's no breeze. Okay, there's a breeze. Oh no, whale watching?
Whale watching? Is there? Are there whales here?
I don't know. It's too low for me. Okay, we'll see you there.
See you later. Oh my god, seriously. Look at you. Guess how old he is, guys?
I'm older than Kristen. No, I'm Kristen's age.
Look weird in this angle. This is my angle, actually, this one. This is my angle here.
So we're ordering some food. We're at Cove Kitchen.
He's fucking too. Yeah, how is it?
It's great.
He's tried it. I haven't tried it yet because I'm vlogging. You gonna feed me now? Oh, okay. Not good.
It's like cactus, right?
This is what I ordered. Or actually, he ordered it for me. because he knows I like pasta. And what did you get?
A burger.
A burger. A chicken burger. Chicken pasta.
Yeah. Is it chicken?
I think so. It is chicken. Okay, let's eat. Guys, I'm like, welcome back.
We just finished eating. Whoa.
Yeah, we did. We just finished eating. Oh, there's a guy sunbathing.
I feel like I'm really tall for this.
You are.
Who's sunbathing?
Let me see that. Look at
Can you make it?
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Jeez.
Did you see that?
It just flew on.
Holy, I don't like birds.
Oh.
Run! Oh my god.
Stop it! You know what? If you run away from them, they're probably gonna chase you more.
See what's going right now.
Like birds. Okay.
I hate birds, I hate bugs.
It's a really nice day today. I'm gonna get a subtle tan because I don't feel how warm it is, but I know for sure that it's quite warm.
I'm very tan. I feel like if I ever go to the Philippines,
You're gonna get more tan.
once I step out of the airport,
You're gonna get more tan.
no, I'm gonna be a shadow. Like I'm gonna see me.
Oh, this is what I'm wearing today.
Do you like our water? This is a Canadian water. This is our outfit of the day.
I got this skirt from Zara because I like the studs. My bag's Kate Spade. This shirt is quite, you know, a cheap top, usual. I don't remember actually where I got this. Urban Outfitters, I think? I'm not sure.
Urban outfit, wow.
I'm not actually sure.
And your shoes.
But yeah, oh, it's Adidas.
Oh.
Yeah, that's about it.
And this is our Canadian water.
Welcome to Canada.
Welcome to Canada.
This is what he's wearing. I want to show you guys. Everything is H&M. Golf shirt, polo, and these shoes. Hey guys.
So hot.
Is it? Yeah, he doesn't like the sun.
I hate the sun.
He doesn't like the sun.
Oh, sorry, I don't swear. Sorry.
I'm gonna bleep that out.
Frick the sun.
But yeah. We didn't actually get ice cream there because they only took cash. And we both don't have cash. We're really bad at that.
We have debit.
We have debit, but so right now we're actually getting ice cream at McDonald's.
Timmy's.
McDonald's, yeah. Cause I don't know, it's been a while. I actually wanted a McFlurry.
Where's the entrance?
So I got creme brulee. This is it. So actually, I ate it pretty fast. It's like sinking in there.
Yeah, it's gone. Mine's actually me too.
You got
Oreo
McFlurry.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we got. I haven't actually tried this one. It's pretty sweet. Bye.
Good, how are you? I just dropped off.
Okay guys, as you saw, I probably in the last clip that you saw was Justin dropping me off. Yeah, it's just a few minutes after that, and I've changed into some house clothes, and he's just dropped me off from work. He was on the phone, so you know, I'm gonna say goodbye, but he did, and that was it today. That was a really good day. Just a really nice day today. I had a really good time. Justin, if you're watching, thanks for that. And I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Just gonna wash all this makeup off, put my hair down because it was up the whole day, and that's about it. I don't know the next time I'm gonna be vlogging this, but everyone else, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.